Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today I have a Trendsend unboxing. So Trendsend is by the company Evereve. It's their subscription styling service. So I'm going to leave all the information about Trendsend in a referral link in the description box below. And I'll also leave the names and prices of everything that I received in this box today in the description box below for you guys. So if you see something that you really like, you can request it from your stylist. You can get this box on demand. They charge your credit card $1 just to make sure that it's a valid card. Shipping is free both ways. It's an awesome service. The clothing is comparable in price to that of something like Nordstrom. So just to sort of give you an idea of what you're looking at as far as the prices for the clothing. But I am really loving it. They send some awesome, really cute stuff. So let's see what we got today in this box. So the first item that I got is a pair of cut from the cloth skinny jeans. These are the high-rise Mia Skinny in a dark wash. Very cute. Excited about those. I don't have a pair of cut from the cloth jeans. Depending on the length, these may be a keeper. We will see. The next thing that I have is a black cardigan. They are calling this is by Allison Joy. They're calling it the Kara Cardigan. It's like a long duster length. It does have buttons, does have front pockets. Kind of a ribbed texture. I don't know if you can tell that in the camera. Very cute as well. The next thing that I have, this is the Grommet blouse in black. This is by Collective Concepts. It's very interesting. Sort of a split neck, long sleeve. Has the little grommet detail across the, I guess it would be kind of across the shoulders. That's very cute. That's very interesting. I haven't seen anything that looks quite like that. The next item that I have is this is by Chaser. I believe that this one is, they're calling this the open shoulder V-neck hoodie in the color Mulberry. This is super cute. I love that color. It's got the cold shoulders. It is a hoodie. Long sleeve, has the banded waist. This is so super soft. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's so soft. It's almost like that fuzzy sort of, it sort of reminds you of like a sweatshirt turned inside out. That's the best way that I know how to describe it. It's so soft. Love that. Okay, the next item that I have is also by Allison Joy. This is a little sleeveless blouse. I love these colors. Isn't that pretty for fall? This would look so cute with the little cardigan for some extra warmth on a cool fall day. The next little blouse that I have, looks like she sent me a lot of blouses, and that is totally cool because that's really what I need more than anything right now. Would be blouses. This is by Allison Joy. This is a little split neck, ties in the front. I love the sleeves on this. These are some beautiful, it's like an ivory color with some burgundies. That's going to be cute for fall. It has a banded waist as well. This is something that I could wear to work, so that would be awesome for me. And the last thing that I have in this box, you guys, is camo. This is the Camo Weekender Tunic. This is by the brand Z Supply. This is so neat. It has like a splits up the side. It's like you took your boyfriend's oversized sweatshirt and like cut it up the sides. That's sort of what it reminds me of. Very cute. Love it. Can't wait to try it. So, I'll be back in just a second with a try on for you guys. final thoughts on this Trendsend are, I really like all of it. The floral print top, the ivory floral print top with the banded waist, that's going to be a keeper for me. The little rust colored floral print sleeveless top, that's a keeper. The cardigan, I love the duster length cardigan. However, I just bought a black cardigan about that length just a couple weeks ago. So that one, I don't really need it. If I hadn't already found one, that would be a keeper for me too. So yeah, a lot of really cute tops. The grommet top, loved that. The camo, I wanted to love it. It's just, it kind of fits weird. I don't know. I think the idea of it was neat, but it kind of fell short of what they were maybe grasping for with that. With the splits up the side, it just kind of hung weird on me. But yeah, really neat box. I love Trendsend. I will definitely try them out again. It's an awesome service. I think that I ordered it on like a Sunday maybe, and then I had it by Thursday. So they are on it as far as the speed that they get your box to you. That's awesome. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought about all the items that I received. I thought they were all very, very cute. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you'd do that for me. I'd be so honored to have you. And so, until next time, bye.